Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dan. Let's get right to it. Mary's behind the camera. We just purchased some large toolboxes, and we're going to use our garage hoist to unload them from the ramp. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video and learn a few tips. All right, now we'll throw the strap through the pallet. Mary, you can come over here and hand me the other strap. Turn on the hoist and get your control ready. The problem is the spreader bar is too wide. Okay, now this may kick a little weird, but we're just going to try it and see. We didn't do any pre-planning, so it makes a difference. Okay. Stop, Mary. Okay, while I move this forward, you just move these back. Okay. 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 One of the things that we can do with our hoist is we can actually pull off center. That's good. We can actually pull off center because of the fair lead up top, and we'll show that in the B-roll. And what we're going to attempt to do now is to drag this to the back of the trailer. Okay, go ahead, Mary. Look up, look down. Hold it. I have to watch my head. See that? Okay, now we've got one strap set. You're gonna help me with that one while I set this one. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go back to the spreader bar lifting beam configuration because we need a little more width for this box. This weighs about 400 pounds. She's going to test it by going up just a couple inches off the deck, and then we'll know if it's safe to continue with the lift or not. One thing we'll work on in the future is making an adjustable spreader bar. All right, go ahead and bring that up. Let's see what we got right there. As long as this doesn't slip, we're good. Okay, ready? We are done. That's beautiful. So with regard to the spreader bar, it made a hard job real easy. It takes a little time. We don't always work with these, but these things weigh, oh my gosh, we're looking at, this thing weighs almost 400 pounds. The lift lifted it with no problem. We have a top chest for this, and that weighs about 200 pounds. and maybe 100 with the smaller box. Our hoist handled it just fine. We hope you enjoyed the video. Get yourself a hoist. These things are awesome. Please like and subscribe, and let us know if you want to see more of this kind of thing. We'll see you on the next video.